Easter is coming and we can use a lot of Easter egg to do fun craft with the kids. So I have different color of Easter eggs and we can try to use them to learn our vocabularies. I have two sets of vocabularies over here. One is animals, the other one is numbers. So we are going to use animals today and we're going to learn the structure of the word. So we are going to review the word first. So the first one is 马. 马 is a horse. 马. This one is 羊. 羊 is a sheep. 羊. This one is a 鸡. 鸡 is a rooster. This one is a hoe. Hoe is a monkey. 蛇. 蛇 is a snake. And this one's a 虎. 虎 is tiger. This one's a 牛. 牛 is ox. This one's a 兔. 兔 is a bunny. And this one's a 鼠. 鼠 is rat. So what we're going to do is we are going to grab a few of the Easter eggs in different colors. Like what we do, let me use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 6 words. And then we're going to need a Sharpie. You can use any color from the Sharpie you want. But I would like something darker so the kids will read the words easier. And not like yellow or very light color. Let's see what we have here. I think dark blue or black would be gray or brown, or dark blue or black would be great. So since it's Easter, I have lots of colors, I will use a dark blue. And for this dark blue egg, we can change to something else. Let's do a pink. Maybe you can do a yellow as well, change it to a green out. So let's start. The first word we're going to write is 鼠. 鼠 is rat. We are going to write on this Easter egg, 鼠. So when you write it, make sure you write the both part of the Easter egg. That is our purpose of the game. So when they open them up, that will be, the top part will have one part of the words, and the bottom part have another part of the game, of the word. So this is the first word, 鼠. And the second one is 兔. 兔 is a bunny, 兔. Second word is 2. Next one is 牛. 牛 is ox. 牛. 牛 is ox. This one is a 虎. 虎 is tiger. 虎 虎 is tiger. Next one is 蛇. 蛇 is snake. 蛇. 蛇 is snake. And the last one is a hoe. Hoe is monkey. Hoe is monkey. Hoe is monkey. So what we're going to do is we're going to open all the eggs up. So put 2 of them apart. Open all eggs. Open all eggs and mix them together. And you will give this to the kids or student, and then they are going to try to find the match. And this will be for the beginning of learner. They can not only look at the words, also they can match up the colors. So it will be easier. So, oh, this too. Are they the words? No, they're not. And this is a word who is going with the first one is a new, it's a ox, right? So the kids will match this green with yellow. Mostly it's not. So they will find the yellow with the yellow, so they will know it's a 蛇 is snakes. So when they learn a lot more and they will know more of the words, so you can mix the colors. Like when you write the words, you can use these 2 colors mix. So you can write next words on this one. The 鸡 is a rooster, 鸡. So you can do this. So by doing this, so kids is not only match up the colors, also they have to read the Chinese words and make sure they know the words. So, thank you.
Hi, my name is Alan. Hi, my name's Thomas.
So today we're going to play an Easter egg game, okay? We're going to match the eggs with the right words, okay? So the first part, wait a second, baby. Okay, so this is a flashcard of the Chinese words. Okay, so this is a word, and then you will, oh, good job. Yes, this is a hole, to the hole, and then you will find where they are and then match them together. So this first part is on the top of the egg, and the second part is on the bottom egg. So you will close them and find a matching pair. Okay, so let's do the words first. Ready? 猴，什么是猴子？
Monkey.
对 ，monkey， 对
I use
猴
my
子。
hand to
Thank
put
you.
on the
Okay.
ear of the monkey.
You are the ear of monkey. 这是什么？ 蛇，什么是蛇
Sheep. Oh.
？No. What's a 蛇
Wait. Snake.
Snake. Good job. Yes, 蛇 is snake. How about this one? 虎，什么是虎？
Pot.
虎，老虎，什么是老虎？什么是老虎
Tiger.
Tiger, yes. Person is the ear of the tiger. 牛，什么是牛
Cow.
Cow,
You're
yes,
the ear of the
cow.
cow.
Yes, I am the ear of the cow. Mom is the ear of the cow. And what's this one?
Me.
兔，
兔子
对，什么是兔子
Bunny.
Very good, bunny. Okay, how about this one?
蛇。
这是什么？
蛇子。
这是鼠，老鼠，什么是老鼠
Mouse.
Mouse, yes,
We
rat,
made the
rat.
trap outside, but it was much bigger this time.
It's alright. Okay, so 鸡 is
Chicken.
Yes, rooster, chicken. 鸡 very good.
Chicken nugget.
羊
Chicken
羊
Sheep.
sheep. Very good. How about this one? 马 是什么 Horse. Very good.
Hi, my name is Alan. Hi, my name is Thomas.
Very good. Okay, so right now we have get the eggs on the ground. Can you match the eggs for me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what words we can find.
No. Oh, that's different.
Oh, very good. What's this word, Thomas? Can you find it on the flashcard? Oh, hey, that's look this one. How about this one? Can you find it on the flashcard?
What does it say?
There's 蛇 is snake. 蛇
I got this one.
Let me see what's this one. Oh, what this one? I think there's two. You find it? Look, where's that flashcard?
Sure.
Sure, you try to find it. Oh, that's a two. You took a Thomas. You took Alan's spot. Yeah, two.
Sure.
Can you put them together? Are you able to put them together?
No,
It's alright. Okay, two. Okay.
Sure.
This one is a sure. It's snake, right? Okay, now let's find another one. Ready? Let's find another one. What is that?
I
You don't
found
have-
one.
What is this?
Oh, I know where this one goes.
Very good. That's 鼠. Oh, 鼠. Get another one, Alan.
This too.
Oh, what's this one, Thomas? What's this one?
Another match.
虎.
老虎.
老虎，对，老虎，tiger 老虎。
What's this one?
猴 monkey, you're
老虎。
the monkey. 猴，
猴
非常棒。
Yay. 老虎在哪？
老虎在哪里？
老虎。
这是羊。再看看老虎在哪里？啊，那是老虎吗？你看它一样吗？你看看它在哪里？
老虎。
这是虎吗？这是虎吗？
There's something weird. 老虎。
对，那是
I
虎。
look all around it and
They don't have one?
yeah.
Oh, interesting. Now I find some. Maybe they just extra piece for it. Let's see what else we have here.
This goes over here.
Is that a word? It should have words on the both parts. Try to find it.
There's no one here.
Maybe they are not matching colors.
There's no one here.
Okay.
Oh, I found another match. Yeah.
Very good. What word is that?
7. What is that?
Oh, let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, no, it's not working.
Wait,
Oh, that's not the words. That's not right, Alan. Let's see. Let's see if we can.
This one goes over.
Let's see.
Here.
That's maybe not because of color. Let me try this way. That's a boost top. Is a boost top?
Nope.
Oh yeah. Here, Alan. What's this one? Good job. What's this word, Thomas? What's this word?
I found the bottom over here.
Good job. Oh, 那什么?
Wait, this doesn't correct.
No, it's not correct. Okay, 这是什么? Thomas, what's this one? Do you know?
What is this word?
牛. Where do you find it? Say where's 牛?
Oh, here.
Very good. 鸡 is rooster. 牛 is over here, babe. Okay.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Wait. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.